is from Beauty Forever Hair. All of the information, of course, will be in the description box below. But this wig is a 13 by 4 transparent lace wig. It is in 24 inches in the color 33B, which looks like a reddish brown. This is their water wave texture, and it comes out the box looking like this. I'm not sure of the density off the top of my head, but that'll be floating on the screen as well. But this is their bye-bye knots wig, so that means they pre-bleach the knots, they pre-pluck the lace, and pre-cut the lace for you. This wig also comes with wig tape, which are put on the sides of the wig to help secure it so that you can wear it gluelessly. And then this is just the construction of the wig. It has the film around the back and the adjustable straps, as well as that comb at the back. It's on your typical dome cap, so the construction is still really good. And this is just another view of what the waves look like, but you'll see that up close a little bit better later on. But I do just want to show you what comes in the box really quickly. So you get a dust bag, which is important for storing your wig. It comes with a wig cap here. I think it comes with a couple of wig caps. And then also inside of this pack, you get a wig band, some cute press-on nails, and also an elastic band to keep your wig intact. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Y'all, I really should take better care of my natural hair, but I don't want to talk about it. So anyways, this is an up close of the wig, a close-up. Ooh. Before I install the wig, I'm just going to take this edge booster and slick back my edges because my hair is looking super crusty and like I just neglected, and it makes me very sad. But anyways, the edge booster works wonders. Slick this guy back so it looks like this. I'm not going to use a wig cap with this because you can see it through the lace, and I don't have time for all that, y'all. It just looks more natural without it. So I'm just tucking my natural hair underneath the wig, making sure it fits properly. This wig, it has on I think it's called like an M cap or a C cap, so it fits perfectly around your ears and that it's comfortable. So now I'm going to show you just like what the back of the wig is looking like. Y'all, don't get scared. We're going to make it look cute, I promise. But before we do all that, I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol and erase my makeup from the sides where I'm going to be putting down the tape, because the tape will slip and slide if you try to put it on top of makeup or like dirty skin or anything like that. I mean, like, look at this. Like, don't try to put tape on top of this. This looks crazy. Yeah. So now I'm just going to pull my hair back, and I'm going to peel off the tape. Well, first, before I peel off the tape, I'm just kind of getting an idea of where I want it to go. And then I'm going to peel off that top layer of tape. It's just like a sticker or like a band-aid, y'all. Just peel it off. And then I'm going to pull the lace forward, and I'm going to place it where I want it. The placement depends on your hairline, honey. I can't even, yeah, it just depends on your hairline. For me, I thought it looked best there, so that's why I put it right here. So then I'm going to press it down just for a couple of seconds, just to make sure it's sturdy and not sliding anywhere. And then I'll just show you this again on the other side, not zoomed in, so you can get like the bigger picture. If you have trouble peeling off the tape, like while the wig is on your head, I recommend taking the wig off and peeling back the little adhesive side, like the sticker part of the tape, and then putting the wig back on, if that makes sense. Like, you don't have to peel it off while the wig is on your head. You can completely do it off your head. I just did it like this. And so now I'm just pressing down both sides for like a few seconds just to make sure this tape sticks and doesn't go anywhere. So this is just a close-up of what the hair looks like after you've stuck it to your hairline, before we've styled it, just so you can see what it looks like out the box on your head with like nothing done. The color is really, really pretty and vibrant, but we do need to spruce up these curls. But before we do that, I'm going to show you how to put the tape on the lace. Like you see on this side here, they give you extra tape that comes with the wig, so I'm just going to show you how to put it on. I peeled one off specifically just so I can show you this. So they're going to come stuck together in pieces like this, and you just want to take it apart until you have one single piece. As you can see, one side is going to be blue and then the other side is going to be white. You want to separate the blue and the white, so basically just peel that off like a sticker, like I'm showing you here, and the adhesive part is going to stick to the back of the blue side. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. And then so you just want to find a good placement on your lace and put the little sticker on there and just press it down as firmly as you can, just to make sure it sticks to the lace, because again, the adhesive side is up against the lace right now, so you just want to make sure it sticks. And then once you feel like it's sticking good enough, then you're going to peel the blue part away from the adhesive so that you can stick it to your skin, if that makes sense. And next I'm just going to go ahead and style the hair, but the first thing I'm going to do is my edges and my baby hairs. I always put baby hairs in my wigs just because of the type of hairline that I have. You can always see like my natural hairline peeking through wigs, so I just do the edges to like try and disguise that and cover it up, as you can see here. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So next I'm just getting ready to define my curls. To do so, I'm just using some water, and I'm using this argan oil styling mousse and this type of brush that has like the holes in it and stuff like that to like detangle it and define the curls. So the first thing I'm going to do is just saturate the hair with water, and I do this really depending on how thick the hair is, like section by section. So sometimes I'll split my hair into 2 sections or in 4, just whatever's easier. And then I'm going to put the water on it and then the mousse, and then just use that brush, which really helps like define the curls. And then I'm also going to be scrunching the hair from the bottom as well. I think I cut that part out, but I do scrunch the hair, and that just helps define the curls. So when it's done, it should look something like this. I don't put water at the top because I'm going to use a hot comb on the top part of my hair. But if you do want to define the top, you absolutely can. But the next thing I'm going to do now is just take my blow dryer from Hot Tools and this diffuser tip, and I'm diffusing my hair. I'm using it on cool air, and so I'm just scrunching from the bottom up with the blow dryer. This is going to help define the curls, and it's also going to help bring volume to the hair, so you can have that like big and like fluffy look. So I'm just doing that like all throughout the hair to give it more volume. So we're almost done. I'm just going to take my free spray to define the parting in my hair. So I'm just spraying it all along the front of my hairline and where my part is, and then I'm just taking my hot comb just to make my parting and everything look neat. So I'm just going to take my wig band off now so that I can define the part in the wig. I'm using my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX, and just like a flat angled brush. I think this is in the color beige. And then I'm taking this Ruby Kisses cream makeup that I got from Amazon. I think it's in the color level 15, but it has 2 different colors in the little palette thing. But yeah, I'm just putting it on my lace, anything that's visible, to help blend everything. So this is what the wig looks like after I'm done styling it. But one thing that I want to do personally is I like to take a small wand and just define the curls around my face. I feel like this makes all the difference in the wig, because these curls shape your face. I just like a more defined curl around my face. If you want to leave it in the water wave texture, you absolutely can. But I just like to do this because I feel like it makes the wig pop a little bit more. Yeah, so this is the final look. I really love this wig because it's honestly, these type of wigs are so easy to install. So definitely love that for me. Definitely check this wig out. All the information will be in the description box below. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Adios till next time. Okay. They're not looking at you.
How does it look on camera? Might have to leave this light on. Ooh, where's it in the front? Great. This is good.